Today, my brother's here. Say hi. Hi. And we will be reading Construction Site on Christmas Night. Are you excited? Yeah, it looks like you are. Okay. Construction Site on Christmas Night by Sherri Duskey Rinker and A.G. Ford. Construction Site on Christmas Night. Down the big construction site, there's work to do for Christmas night. The last big project of the year, the team is slamming into gear. So much is riding on the crew, they have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. Bulldozer's deadline is almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day, roar! He pushes hard to clear the way. For hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in this way, a massive gift. Thank you. Look, he has a new thing. With gable ribbon from the yard is top of with the thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade. Yeah, here's the 2 bulldozers. Yeah. Blade, custom paint job, custom made. Oh yeah. Merry Christmas, bulldozer. Good night. I like here. Stuck. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere, scooping, chugging. Yes, mine too. Yeah. Why? I don't know. At full blast. Because he's a baby. Yeah. At full blast. Vroom. He digs up the foundation fast. Clouds rolling in. A brisky wind blows. A snowflake falls right on his nose. I don't think he has a nose. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time. I'm stuck. Oh, you're stuck. As excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes as someone's left a big surprise. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's signed simply from our crew. Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one has a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, excavator. Good night. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. Rainbow, rainbow, rainbow.
Hey, can you let her finish the book? Okay. Hey, crazy man. We're not doing yoga right now.
We're not doing yoga. We're just battling the chair and having battle of heads.
Okay, so back to the book.
Concrete to pour, he lays the foundation, walls, and floor. And then he churns another load that will be used to make a road. He twirls, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. He rolls away to take a bath, but something's sitting in his path. A giant box, his name on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. Screech! No car, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left it? A brand new drum. His drum is all beat up and bland. Here's that new thing there. No, that's his new thing. But this one's like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer. Good night. A icy wind blows in his face. But dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. I farted.
What did you say?
And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. He turns to go but stops and the biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires. Vroom, vroom. It's a fresh stack of new set of tires. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. He tucks the old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck, good night. With whipping winds and loads that way. Whoosh, whoosh. Crane truck's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, bravely lifting, firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane truck's work is done at last. The job is finished, one last stop. Crane truck puts a star on top, but Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone's left a special gift. A rocking sock wrecking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane truck, good night. Engines roar and bells ring out loud. Cling, cling, cling. Sirens blare and air horns shout. Woo! Honk! Honk! Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive. I'm stuck. Driving proud, looking fine, bumpers, ladders all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny, rolling through in the town's new fire crew. On this nearly Christmas night. Can you be quiet? Because I'm sleeping. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignitions, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends at work and play, for all that's given and received, and all that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh, all the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. The end. Now, I will read my joke. Why is it always cold at Christmas? Because it's December. I love you, buddy.